Mubaso ya mwancho muligereria bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV litukone lya Ijumaa tariki 30 omutenyino 12 omwaka bw'ekirwa Ibere na 2022 ekero twatigairie Chinsa chinke kegima eliogoso omwaka omuya bw'ekirwa Ibere na 2023 nyero mwancho muligereria kwabeire asegeke getambe ko gotobwatia gokubwatia merobere yaitu gwetera senchira yekerero asegeka kyumwaka omugima nigo tugwakanga mbia mono nekero tugucha gukora omwaka oyo tiga tugusabere visio enda ogendera kubwatia Amayia nimerobirinde kubwatia emenge asegetaseni kya Ndizi TV. Happy new year ekero nyasaye ucha gutwanchira twensi tutambuke asenchira yobororo kigima na kwareganirie asemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere mubasobono egera tumanyenga nararia ya agendrete gukoreka asense ya Kenya asibali mugotobwatia wetera senchira ye mitandao no tulibuna Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News ase ensemo ya YouTube na karobwata chingaki na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News wosoto mekerangerkiao wetera se namba yesi mibotambe ekoba ase TV yao na kwarega ne iria talimake ase birebi igokaba monainche weika omwelio nkuira nanda segekege kekerebosio egera nkumanye ayomna yanda mange asenchera yobwenge Ncheni wankuru kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no liatokubwatira na komo kurwa sense moyibimanyererio nigakuru kwa Joshua Auta. Toya chake kurwa ase county ya Nairobi asa magacho ye bunge chinga kibonoyo kabeiro mo governor we county ya Kisii James Ongwae anyariko bakawika bosube committee ye bunge eliogo chakolingoliwa osena isaine asokuligia emiremo ase kyombegia parliamentary service commission buna oyomo bokolengana na Ongwae nigare no bomaene buna chekwe wali bagelio koboyo mobo ase kyombekyo na chekwenekia obwasioku no bokoreryo bya asobaigare no kwegena na isaina semeremeyo asekelia buna nigabwate obokoreri bwebirengo byigoro gekwenekiwa buna orabeire kagokore meremenga buneyo asegeka egetambe bono amango mwancho muligereria ntochigo koletera samangana itamaya akobwatia kolende echioro chegabwo nechibicha bunaikire gose bunaikabo siobwe committee ye bunge. Hekiombe kia National Taxpayers Association ni gobono kia bolirie chiserekali chichi county gosoboteneri bwechi county kwene kia bunango kora bole na gosonsora omochando bwebigancha byechibesa ochase byombe byabantu ao gati yabo bali bamenyete nobolema na bali batali kwenyara korengana na bateneri bekiombe kyo nigo batebire wetera enchereyo nekole obokongu nemechando gendete konyora abantu kurwase byombe binga bunebyo ali bagwetera senchera yobekirano nagosukia bokorari bwechi county ochase birengo byigoro.
Our concern as an organization is yes, counties and there's been ranking and there's been discussion on how counties are faring in terms of on-source revenue. But our interest as NTA was yes, on-source revenue is coming up in some counties. We're here talking about polytechnics and funding for polytechnics. We mentioned something about conditional grants, which the director Nairobi County said they used to receive but now don't receive.
Hekiombe kiogokora obotuki gose interim audit se county ya Siaya nigo bono kiarusirio roboti ro kworokia buna ebirengo byobokurumi ase nibo ya serikali ya county ya Siaya nigo bigendrete kogenda igoro omwako yo iga osomwako bwechirwa 2022 niga serikali ya county ya Siaya yasiririe ange chilingi milioni 150 nemo ase obotuki bwa korwa bogotenenerwa noyo kabeire omo Auditor General Edward Ouko oyotebire county ya Kisumu ya tugutere chibesa chinyinge ekibono ya sabiro botukibagendera okorwa soboime nonde bwensi oratoke okorete mamincha neri chiko na gochiesa nibo ya serikali ya county na chikoimokeriwe getambo keregetindi keri chiko,
which could be indicative of existence of number of ghost workers. The anomalies identified included double payment through both the manual and IPPD, duplication of names, falsified identification numbers with less than, identification number in Kenya must be more than 7 digits. We found some with 5 and some with 6, which means those were falsified IDs. We are still looking at that because we are trying to compare more records to come back to the exact situation.
We have no qualms for the committee to be as brutal, so long as it's factual, as possible.
Amate yemo korwase county ya Uasin Gishu mbirerere maega yo mwana obo bw'emyaka 14 gosiria obugima maega yo kwarokiwa gosase omorobulyo bwo kwarokiwa omwana aseleta Benjamin awase Ibrahim Kirwa bw'emyaka 14 oyo boigo ikaransira matemwa ya manene akirasi Isano na isato KCPE na konyora magisi chimia isato na 95 wono nigo asiretie obugima magega yo konyora makong ao magega yo kwarokiwa korengana ni amate goseise omwana oyo Elieta Gilbert Maina nigo akwanete nabariki bamangana abwase asangete na kyumwana yanyartiko bakagusira abwase roboti baetwe korwase abanyagitari abogoteba buna mwana oyo nigo asireti obugima kobwatekana na makong anyora korwase okekorwekyo gyo kwarokiwa matatu mabo nigo boigatebire mwana obo nigo asinyetwe koragera Chinsa chindega koroka na kobimba magoro egento kya irera barabwo kumumyo kya senyagitari na magiga yaye gosiria obugima.
Tulidhani labda amepata matibabu, lakini labda matibabu haikuwa nzuri, haikuwa inafikia kiwango ya kumsaidia yule kijana apone. Sasa nadhani hiyo tradition ya kuwazuia kule iko na effect, na inamaanisha kuwa aliugua kwa sababu hakupata huduma ya afya ambayo ingefaa, ambayo niliambiwa ni sepsis shock ambayo ilidhuru organ zake katika mwili wake. Ugonjwa huo ulitokana na hiyo tohara. Nadhani wound ambayo alikuwa nayo ilipick germs na ikalead into sepsis shock.
Abantu bane nigo bayanegatiwe gosiria amagima ase county ya Kiambu kobwatekana no gwateka kuburoire bwa cholera abwase korengana nabo bisabu bateneneri bobo chenwe county ejo bayanekiria yo nagoteba abanda bange nigo barase chinyagitari elyo konyora obugwenia chinga kiecho nigo bamenyi be county ya Kiambu baboliwe koba maiso na kwenekia ebirengo byo bachenu beigoro elyo gwetanga kurwa konyora oborwaire obo kyo no moteneri oteneta mangana yo bachenu ase county yo Dr. Joseph Murega.
These are very ready. We have always been very ready, and we have managed many cases which have come as either outpatients or even inpatients, and most of them have been discharged within a short period of treatment, probably to the mean of about 2-3 days, and they recover. Cholera, when got early or diagnosed early, it responds very well to treatment.
Inga kiecho bateneri buya county yo wetrase wizara yo bachenu nigo baenekire bune mirobere ya bene ya bekirwe elyo kwene kiango tanga bali na gukora ebikore byoboroire bwa cholera eyo yanyariko bakegwateka tali county ya Kiambu yoka kolende ase chi county chinde abwasaba menyi bense ya Kenya basemiwe kwerenda na kwene kibirengo byo bachenu na kobwatia machiko na marago elyo wetanga korokanyoro boroire obo obokongu bwa cholera.
So far, a number of counties are also involved, even going all the way up to northeastern Kenya, and we are working hard with other counties to share experiences, and as well as to ensure that there is good control measures and good preventive measures being sent to the public for sensitization of hygienic handling.
We have added some sewer areas, and we have also come up with a policy that people who have not connected, they should connect to the sewer. Initially, people were complaining that they don't have the sewer, but as we speak, now we have the sewer, and we have enforced laws that they must provide clean water. We have registered all of them, and we're now taking data where
Mwanchu muligereria na raya asebono kulinda mange na ende chikoraga Chinsa ikomiche maragoba ya bono na ucheko ya nyora asenchira ende yo wenge kulinde asenchira yo boikiranu nekere koraga ensa eye mone Chinsa isato chobo tuko bwalero chitalike merongo etato unanaika okumanyia abuoli tanga ningwaka ngambia mono asebali mogende togoto bwatia gwetera asenchira ye mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook chingaki Wesley Maranga agoteba gendete kubwati murobulio Jackie Kerubo James asante Teresa Kemto Stella Virginia Glycerin Nyabus na boy Teddy biamono asokwene kyabuna noli me asomurobulio yokuligelia mangana maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere korwa segeta seni kyauna mbemo ime na isiko yorogongo orwa Gusii olia tobwaterana komo korwa sense moye bimanyelio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta nolia one kiabuna chibicha malio ya wikira senchira yo wikiranu wetera senchira ya online nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama mwancho muligerelia buna Sara Nyarangi Ontita ngokuganelia otuaro buligerelia borubya asemero buliende kubwatya na ende ngokuganelie omwaka omuya bwa monchorelio wechiri bwibere na merongo ibere na isato Nyasaye karancha to ikebya nigoto wakangambia mono na bali mwensi morwale tasinya gitari tokubaganilia Amayia chinga kitogende tukwerobelia asogo chagokora omwaka oyo wechiri bwibere na merongo ibere ni very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2023.